Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Rolls-Royce Phantom car with cardboard using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp craft knife, and strong adhesive like hot glue. Next, find and print a detailed template of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This template will guide your cuts and ensure accuracy. Finally, prepare a safe cutting surface and a ruler for precise, straight lines. Now, let's move on to the cutting and shaping phase. Carefully cut out each piece from your printed template, transferring them onto the cardboard. Take your time to ensure clean, precise edges. For any fold lines, gently score the cardboard with your craft knife, but do not cut all the way through. This helps create crisp folds without damaging the material. Start assembling the larger body sections, using your strong adhesive to secure them firmly. With the main structure complete, it's time to add those crucial details that bring your Rolls-Royce Phantom to life. Attach smaller components such as the windows, wheels, and the distinctive front grille. You can use extra layers of cardboard to create a more three-dimensional effect for features like headlights or bumpers. Once all pieces are securely in place, consider painting your model or applying a clear protective coat to give it a polished, realistic finish. For the final touches, reinforce any weak joints with additional glue to ensure your cardboard Rolls-Royce Phantom is sturdy and durable. You can also gently sand down any rough edges to give your model a more professional and refined appearance. This attention to detail truly elevates your creation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your crafting space tidy. Enjoy your magnificent cardboard masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.